Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going over Q2 of the weekly contest 205. Number of ways where square is you go to the product of two numbers. So this one should have been easy, and it was surprisingly easy. I think for me it was just about reading the problems, and also just feel like recently the contests have been a little bit trickier, so I've been just maybe watching out a little bit. So this took me about 3 minutes to do during the contest, but basically it's just roughly speaking, it's a very common technique, just using a lookup table, right? So basically, and brute force on the I and the J, or in this case, you brute force in the J and the K, and then you just hash the I's. Or you could do it the other way around. It doesn't really matter, because whichever way you do it, it's going to be n square. Except for that, if you do it this way, it could be only of n space versus of n square space. But basically that's how I did it. And also you have to make sure that you did it in both direction, nums1 and nums2 swap. So I did this shorthand to kind of make it easier to program. But basically, for each number that's in A, we hash and we increment it to keep track, the square of that number, and then we just brute force ij, so that we sum up the number of count that has that number in the original array. And again, we do it twice, one in each direction, and that's pretty much how I solved this. It's relatively brute force, and if you are unfamiliar with this, you really should, because it comes up a lot even in Leetcode as you're practicing. So let me know what you think. This is going to be n squared time because of these two for loops, and n space because of this counter. But yeah, let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you can watch me solve it live next. That was a slow one. That's annoying. Hey everybody. Yeah, thanks for watching this explanation of this video. Definitely give me feedback, ask questions, because the more questions you ask, more feedback you give me, then it lets me know how what kind of answer to give you for next problems, right? And so I'm trying to learn from this. So yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord, and I will see y'all next contest. Bye bye.